First, connect CAS1, Godiag BMW CAS1, CAS2 Mech-Key Test Platform, and VVDI2. Press the Start key. Take an unmatched key and insert it into CAS1. You can see that the key cannot be inserted and is ejected. Next, start connecting VVDI and the computer. Click Key Learn, CAS Key Learn. Connect. After identifying it, click Get Key Info to read the key information. Follow the prompts to insert the unmatched key. Click OK. Then click NO. Finally, click Add Key. After successful matching, take out the key. Insert CAS1 and it will show successful matching.